Hi everyone, and welcome to this video we've created to show you a little script we've written that can solve a little bit of a nightmare when it comes to bulk uploads. So a background here for those of you who might not be familiar with this problem: shapefiles, which are the Esri proprietary format and very common in mapping, have several components inside of them. And you'll see here, this is a series of shapefiles, all of these little pieces. Now, we won't go into what each of them is for, but the point here really is that these AOIs, or areas of interest, or really any shapefile is going to contain all of these components, and you got to zip them together. You have to compress them for Map Mavin to accept them. That's fine if you have one. You could just drag and then zip and you're good to go. I would just send to a compressed folder. But what if I have a bunch of different files and they're all loose, and I want to break them out into zipped files so that I can then zip all those, upload all of those to Map Mavin? Well, we've gone ahead and written a handy little script here that will go ahead and do just that. So I'm going to actually do it for you here on the screen with all of these test files I've had. But before I do, I will reread our directions that we have here for you so you can really get a sense of what I mean by this using this little script. So with our new bulk upload system, you can load multiple files to Map Mavin at one time. But if you want to load multiple shapefiles and TIFFs at once, each needs to be compressed in a single zip file. If you have a large amount of data, that can be super time consuming, so we wrote this handy script, and here is how to use it. This is only going to work on Windows, by the way. I want to be clear on that. But step one is to download and install the free compression program 7-Zip onto your C drive. I would download it regardless of if you use Map Mavin or not. It is an amazing free program. It is great for so many tasks. But again, that is 7-Zip, and the 7 is spelled with the number, not the word. Once you've downloaded 7-Zip, you're going to want to download this script that we've created, also free and linked in the directions of this article. And once you've done that, you're going to want to put it alongside all of the files that you're going to have it work on. So put the script.bat file into a folder with multiple shapefiles and or TIFFs. Make sure to remove any KMLs or KMZs, as these will upload without being compressed. Once you've done all that, double click on the script. So right now, just so you see before and after, we have all of these loose shapefile components. Our goal is to get them turned into individual zipped AOI shapefiles. So let's see what happens when we click this guy. Boom. So now I have all of these zipped together, and when I go to Map Mavin, I can just highlight them in the layer upload process, and they will easily load right into the system. There you go.